We have a budget of 22 billion shillings, and this 22 billion we are anticipating to collect revenues of our own source revenue to a tune of 3.7 billion. But I also want to report that this budget has good things for the people of KISII County, because we factored in purchase of maram at 80 million and fuel at 120, which will facilitate the construction of roads across the county. Number two, we also have the highest budget for water, which will be 2.25 billion shillings, Kenya shillings, and this is because after we had purchased the machineries, now we had no option other than to also concentrate on giving people water. We also have a bigger budget in the Department of Medical Services, which will entail improving our level force, the Nyamache Hospital, equipping of Ogembo Hospital, and other things. Then I think that is what I can say. We also have a bursary, and this bursary we have factored in 315 million, which will be used in the forward budget, and that one will entail 7 million going to every ward. Then we also have a feeding program of 450 million, and this one will actually go to ensure that our kids get milk. And as governor has always indicated, we want to ensure that we give milk to grade 2. So we will be giving to PP1, PP2, grade 1, and also grade 2.
The budget that puts our people first. And as we heard the Maego chairman said, our people were fully involved. We promised and intend to work within the budget. His Excellency the Governor said, promised that we never go outside what we really go to our people, the budget. So I don't intend to believe what the chairman has said, but I say thank you for coming. We always welcome for our
members of the 40th state, today is a good day for the people of KISII, because the honorable members have passed the budget for 2026-2027, which has highlighted what expectation our people needs. And let me take this time, because they just spoken, to thank all the honorable members who have supported specifically my leadership as the speaker, to ensure that our people in KISII, they have received service delivery. And as the members of the assembly, I can assure the governor that we will support him so that he can achieve his manifesto he promised the people of KISII. For the first time for several years, you have heard that our children, they are going to get milk. For the first time in KISII history, it is the first time the government has purchased machines for our roads, and this is through the assistance of the assembly. We are supporting him to ensure that he delivers. Otherwise, thank you very much, members of the 40th state. Thank you for supporting us also to make sure that our people have what the right information. Because today we have passed the budget, but sometimes there are those doubting Thomases who are going to bring other issues. They are going to discuss other issues outside this budget. It is a confirmation today, and I think we are among the first assemblies to have passed the budget for this financial year. Honorable members, thank you very much. Asante, ubarikiwe. Abantu baminto be press gangire bageri kwa naseke gusi tebenga gangire de gaba isimi wa baiko wonsimbi yamono ase ugo support umugabano ito erinde 40 magendero asikisi yeto lero twetire budget ya 2026-2027 asengenjo yo 40 magendero ase county yeto nebintu bidibios bigabana a promise ti abantu ba KISII ditanga ni kabisa se budget ya esa gabano consider abana baito so kugenda konyora mabere gabano consider abantu baito kugenda konyora chipara esense mo ya heriti no akora promise ti abantu ese budget yaitire governor's budget to kurenta the ambulance which will give to all our sub-counties. Eso gokonya agu promote health issues ese county yeto. Igorende amange munya kunyanyola, but more importantly, in Keringa, in Tumuna, by honorable members, we are ready to support the governor. Aseng in Chenene, abantu baitu banyore, amagendero, vajorete honorable member for, vajorete governor for, erinde togende revolution. This is the last budget. This is the last budget for this period. Enere budget yomo elio, tugo jo poregas. After maybe getting the second, the other mandate, now the other budget, the 2027-2028, but for now, this is our last budget. We got to go to the and the area of 90 balls. I'm again to today we were discussing in the assembly. I'm again to it is not for us. It is about your resources.
Amarieta grupo aini kumoracha como jumbo base centro voy yo mayor kuina ya KISII. Otra que tengo tebia bagusiba minto pero iga Goetigwa budget ya ito ase assembly, and I believe noyo mitakwana into account ntangani Goetigwa mu governor ite budget eligara korera abantu bae bagusiega na ba promise. Nara ebintu bya itubugaye se budget asua chicho chibore ni ambulance mu governor obekritwe sorro kuburali ambulance chigenda sub county chaito so that abantu bamike bakonye ama chichibe sabe korro chibe sa chinyinge obekire chibasa cyo kubora amabere kugure factory chibesa cyo koros chipara cyo kubora mafuta nagure biragita ona mafuta agure naro che especially speaker kwa ndage ndekia simply inova na habari togenda muri mwanya go interview abaheshimiwa iskali babugata masakaranga chipara tugate chipara tati na rwete ndora assembly ye twaiterili chike mali no mujumbe ocholire nabantu kuna njinjo record bus central ali no soa na prosecute case kiane koru taliska ali metei igote bya bajumbe bali bagocha simule batebye speaker noe ebunge noe bachorona chilist ye chibabwate tochite bogali tokorera abantu tegas no mu governor promise tinga he will work as such ward Jones without being biased. So abana siasa bali babwate siasa nkenge singe twaligere chikura barorire nga saingine bintu byabaire bobechi ward cyabo batebi bache bunge to prosecute case to korera abantu tegas singe no batu chode to korera gas biyamono nyasaba si
Asamaria tangu Dr. Gario MC okwane sauti ya baswati bunge ase budget tuto etiri tukoria rero the biggest beneficiary of budget yiga aro muswati to KISII county because abaswati to attend yo ramati no mange kira bana baitu bakwenda chindo chikuya machi kwanyora banyora maritama pema kwanyora bana baitu basirire gali ando goitwe kana one buyimbo tuteriga singororo but the members of this assembly and the executive of government to call Simbarati already na ne ya maana the budget ya KISII 30% of it ayenda samana ya maana. So we want to thank him and also tote nambiamono tuakire nambiamono na baswati ba KISII na this has been fulfilled and togendere igo kubika chajende cha baswati.
Thank you.
Budget KISII County 2026-2027, and I want to confirm on behalf of this is the best budget I think. That's what the assembly very high figure. one anataka mpaka family ya KISII. This time round in proposal ya para as a budget because already we have purchased machines. Again, the government has a budget na kiweza kukora kamaram, kiweza kiamamka. So I want to assure them that around the end to the para kinge mono compared na previous years. Area cover amma plan to consider kiweza sana samaji. Amaje being a priority more especially as umugusi. Abantu nabari babere bagenda ujya sebitacho twakunzi kumane kiboko nyinge mono nabona nje mwishimo obusero nabonta gete bariyere iranga for the first time to ya majiboho singa se wodi ya obusero nabonta gete go twaro bole mona kuba achonga tuba corregas. Another thing as semo ya facility nabona sinya gitari ya musutere boko. I want to assure them nature those can already open. Java gave a very good money, close to 10 million. They change the facility being about a very boko. Then another thing to go US and we keep the facility in the Honoragan. We also ensuring in Yagitari and material, and I don't want to get a complete. With the time, annual treatments in your open and the most material for certification. Na entire Bugusero not. Na waishimwa waitumbara ora bandi na revari ni social medias bago kiremwa mbarwede jipara as a vice chairman roads abonta ke togon famna ense mengi yora nyare kwa na ji project is ya ona se asem tutige commissary the community was a commissary the public asenge njio ko ngai ne na ko ngai ne bintu bitai tenko ramba kan dia maya ansenge njio tokorra maya na ande mwabiri na inte on the entire 4 years. I want to serve Abaseni and we can also as the community.